What's up? Today I'm with AFsisterwig again. I really do love the quality of wigs slash hair that I get from this company so far, so I'm here with them again today. This is the hair we're working with. Today we have some colored curly hair. Honestly, it's not every day that I get curly hair in color, so I'm really happy about this, like really happy. What I got in the package, excuse my nail, I'm gonna do it soon. I have this scrunchie, have wig cap. This is a 13x6 lace front wig. Yep, and it's 14 inches long and it's 150% in density. This color is so pretty. Now you know, so when you want to get them color, enough time you have to, you know, customize it yourself. So I love this. This is how the lace looks. It has 3 combs in there, straps, adjustable straps, and straps to further like secure the wig and stuff. Yeah, that's how it looks. So let's go ahead and jump into just, you know, applying this wig. One thing I can say I always love about my AF sister wigs is that the lace always looks good. They always get real like good and melted. I want to do like a kind of like half up half down vibe with this wig today, so I'm gonna go ahead and install it. Of course I'm gonna like fast forward through that portion, but that's how the lace is looking. Oh my gosh, these curls are so tight. It's like, yeah, you could definitely like comb this out and get afro vibes if that's what you're going for.
I don't know where I am, I don't know where you take me, I don't know where you take me. I just follow your trail and I'm losing your mind and I'm losing your head. Let me escape from this love, cause I'm a prisoner. I just want to look my way and never back to you. I don't know where I am, I don't know where you take me, I don't know where you take me. I just follow your trail and I'm losing your mind and I'm losing your head. Let me escape from this love, cause I'm a prisoner.
I'll just wrap it with some wrap strips and get it nice and, you know, laid. In the meantime, while I do this, I'm gonna get glam, and then when I finish getting glam, then I'll come back and complete the hairstyle. Yeah, so that time within that time, which will take like probably 40 minutes, because I want to do something colorful, dramatic today. Really just go slow and take my time. And yes, I'm filming it, but it's not in this video, so stay tuned to my channel. It might have been uploaded before you see this, so check it out. But yeah, I'm going to do that, and then I'll come back and finish the hairstyle. Alright guys, so I'm back, and I'm getting some help from my mother to do the 2 braids I want to do in here on the inside.
Follow your trail and I'm losing your mind and I'm losing your head. Let me escape from this unlove, cause I'm a prisoner. I just want to look my way and never back to you. Ooh, I'm not above it. Let me be myself.
Got my 2 braids. And you could definitely go ahead and rock the hair as is, like this, just like this. Like, it looks bomb. Looks really, really bomb. Like, really, really bomb. But you guys know me. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna wet it up. We're gonna get that juicy wet look. But this is such a vibe. I'm all done with this look for today. I love this wig. The color, everything is giving me life. And then I paired it with this makeup look. Guys, this makeup look, if it's not live yet, it will be live. It will be the next video that is going live. And yeah, go ahead and check it out. This I look. Oh my god, I love it. I absolutely love it. But that's pretty much it for today, guys. I'm gonna put all the information on this wig down below, so you guys can feel free to go ahead and check that out if you're interested in getting it for yourself. You saw that you could wear it in 2 different ways. You can wear it wet like this, or you can go ahead and wear it all, you know, afro like. And you see how I got the soft looking baby hairs as well, like nothing stiff, you know. I prefer this look so much, like it's so much more natural. So like I love that. It looks so good. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. So until then, go and make up on yourself. Bye.